Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create promo codes on Whop. Alright, let's begin. First, create your Whop account. Once you're in, you'll need to create a community or Whop page. For this example, we'll use a test community I created earlier. Next, go to your Whop dashboard. You can access it from the left menu or the top of your community screen. Inside it, scroll down on the left until you see Marketing. If the section is collapsed, click the arrow to expand it. Then click Promo Codes and select Create Promo Code. This opens a menu where you can set your code details. For example, name it something like Flash Sale 2025. Choose your discount type, percentage or fixed. Let's go with 50% off. Next, set the duration. Options include one time, multiple months, or forever. We'll choose forever. You can also set an expiration date, limit how many times the code can be redeemed, restrict it to new users or churned users, and even limit it to one use per user. You can also decide which Whops the promo code applies to by selecting them from the list. Once all fields are set, click Create Promo Code. Note, if you haven't set up payouts yet, it'll prompt you. Just head to Payouts in the left menu and set up payments before trying again. So, that's basically how you can create promo codes on Whop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.